Last month, you may have watched our story about chemical disasters. If you missed it, you can scroll back a couple of videos. In short, chemical emergencies like explosions or leaks are estimated to occur every other day in the United States and are disproportionately affecting Latino communities. However, the EPA recently announced stricter guidelines to managing hazardous chemicals. They finalized updates to the Risk Management Plan, a rule that has regulated facilities that come in contact with hazardous chemicals since 1996. According to the EPA, the updates would, quote, protect vulnerable communities from chemical accidents, especially those living near facilities and industry sectors with high accident rates. Texas Environmental Justice Advocacy Services, interviewed by EHN in our previous coverage, operates out of one of these industrial sectors in Houston, Texas.
At Tejas, we believe the finalized EPA risk management program is a work in progress. Policy is only as good as implementation and evaluation. RMP can be an opportunity for consistent worker and community protection regardless of who is elected into office.
Let's take a moment to cover some of these updates. Facilities will have to take into account safer practices when creating emergency management plans. On-site air monitors are required to have backup power sources to measure emissions in the case of power outages. And third-party tests must happen when there is a chemical incident to prevent a company from acting in their own interest and to get to the root cause of the incident. With the upcoming election cycle, there are questions about what could happen to the rule. Maya Nye, Federal Policy Director of Coming Clean, told EHN.
The reason why it was rolled back under the Trump administration, it happened so late in the Obama administration, that prompted a Congressional Review Act of it. But for this time period, pretty sure has gotten in within enough time to not have to be concerned in the same way.
In addition to the rule, the EPA has published the Risk Management Plan data tool, in which individuals can type in their zip codes or addresses and see high-risk chemical facilities near them.
I think that's a huge win because communities have a right to know what facilities and what hazards are in their backyard.
At this time, the tool is only available in English.
In the advancements that we have, there's still room for improvement, definitely.
For EHN, I'm Kimmy Farrell.